Hi and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are going to be making one of my all-time favorite breakfast items, the avocado toast. And I'm going to put my own little spin on it. So let's get started. Okay, so this is a super simple recipe, and I'm going to start just mashing my avocado, and then I'll put in a little bit of salt and pepper and garlic powder. But if you prefer just having your slice to put on top, go for it. It's your toast. Do what you want to do. But I personally like the kick of a little bit of garlic powder, and sometimes I'll put pressed garlic in, and I feel like it's a really nice addition. Would recommend. So now what I'm doing is I'm just cutting up some cucumber, which I'm then going to soak in some seasoned rice vinegar. I got this trick from my friend Andrea when I was up in Canada this summer with her, and I absolutely love it, and I completely recommend if you've never had cucumber on your avocado toast. So now the best and the final step, we're going to start assembling. So I'm going to start with adding my avocado on it. Ooh, that's hot. Just burned myself on the skillet. And smear this all over. And then I'm going to add my cucumber and my arugula, and then I also fried up an egg. If you want an egg over easy, scrambled, do whatever suits you. But I personally love a fried egg. So I'm going to top it all up, add some cucumbers. What a picture perfect egg and avocado toast. Then, finally, egg. Ooh, that was loud. And then I'm going to also add a little bit of salt and pepper. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel to see me create some more little food masterpieces. And thank you so much for watching.